Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add the home lights widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on wallpaper. Next, tap on the left image to customize your wallpaper. And in here, tap on the bottom row. This is your widget panel. Tap on that and then scroll down. Next, tap on home. Now swipe to the left until you see it says lights. And here it will show you a summary of the lights in your home. So tap on the widget and that will get added to the widget panel. After that, tap on the close button. Then tap on the close button again to close the widget selection. And then tap on done to save the changes. And finally, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, if you have installed any home light accessories in your home, then you will be able to view the light informations in your home directly on your lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.